And Pump going on tour next year. It's gonna be crazy.
Nigga, when my name come up,
You said
respect
who going on
it.
tour?
Let's go. Stop playing with my
For
fucking
next
name.
year.
Oh, you and
All
Pump,
drill,
right?
y'all. Stop playing with my name.
Hey, yo.
I ain't gonna say it no more.
Maybe because I'm a numbers guy. Yo, Pump got on fucking Instagram Live today, man. That nigga had like 25,000 people watching. That shit was ridiculous. I was like, what the fuck?
Insane. I've never seen that before.
Yo, Cardi B, like when Bodak Yellow was #1, like she pulled that shit. Nicki was on one day and she pulled around, like 30. You get me? Drake I seen pulled 60. But Lil Pump, I'm like, yo, this nigga's super lit, man.
Superstar. Superstar.
Does he have like a big ego? Like say you say to him like,
that's the crazy part, bro. Pump don't care about that shit. Oh.
Imagine you say to Pump, yo, Pump, let's do this joint album, and nigga be like, nah, bro, cloud too high for all that bullshit right now.
Yeah, me and Pump connecting so heavy, bro. I only reason I sent him that text was so I could share it with the world. We had already talked about it.
Watch this. Damn, bro. Oh, I still got to beat you by 20. All right, chat.
They already agreed on touring and in the studio.
What are y'all talking about? Oh, somebody said Coach Ack. Yeah, man. Yo, I'm a coach Yachty up, bro. Don't worry. Oh shit, nigga, cross me. You gotta take the shot after you cross me up, my nigga.
Yeah, he can't shoot.
Nigga, this is 2K, bruh. He can shoot if you make him shoot, nigga.
So her with that nigga.
Ooh, give me that.
Bitch is really downgrade.
Who?
Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth, nigga. Girls, bro. Like, how do you go from dating this rapper and then go date like that kind of rapper?
Hey, what do you think about these hoes that be dating multiple rappers, man? Like, ain't the game fucked up, bruh? You don't be looking at it like, yo, these bitches ain't shit?
Yeah, because of what's really going on.
Yo, Yachty, yo, how many rappers, or maybe you don't care, like, if a chick dated or fucked like 5 rappers, could you wife her? Or does that not matter?
Well, I can't say that because I really liked India at one point.
Wait, she dated 5 rappers? What the fuck?
But I mean, like...
Oh, she did date... She dated The Game, right?
That Soulja Boy?
Wait, she ain't dating no Soulja Boy, did she? I thought it was a joke.
I don't know. I think it was real.
Alright, well, at least, if it's just 2, you straight. And Soulja Boy is one of your favorite rappers.
Drake before.
She dated Drake too? Yo, Drake dated everybody, dog.
Drake is the GOAT when it comes to bitches.